boyfriend and a girlfriend, thinking that kung ano yung, ayun, thinking kung ano talaga yung motive nila. Do you think that is enough? Kasi, let's open our Bible, yung mga nila ng Bible lang. Yung Bible kapag ano? Anyway, let's open our Bible sa Luke 14:20.
Luke 14:28.
Okay. Nauwi na ba? Ang nakalagay doon, for which one of you, when you want to build a tower, does not first sit down and calculate the house to see if he has enough to complete it. So, it means, kasi diba, babasok na tayo sa word na relationship. Ano ba yung pinaka-end goal? I mean, when you let into kapag ikaw, pumasok sa isang relasyon, ano yung goal na natin mo? Is it just to have fun? Perfect lang? Or magandang siya, magandang play? Or bago siya, magandang play? Oh yeah. Diba ka lang kasi reason dyan? But the truth is, dapat yung pinaka-goal niya is when you wanted to start a family. I'm not saying yung talagang, uy, pag ito, asawa ka rin, hindi ako ganun goal. Pero yung pinaka-goal nung kung bakit ka nakikipag-relationship is that, diba? Hindi ka naman buwan lang parang, kung trip lang yun, malaking risk na factor. Malaking, I tell you guys, kahit hindi pa ako, kasi ako never pa sa boyfriend. So, oy, hindi talaga. Sa mga, siyempre, as I've observed before, hindi, sobrang risky na ginagawa niya inverted number I have friends na parang nagpapagawa ng friends. So, I was always asking kung bakit gano'n lang kadalo sa kanila. Pero, with that kind of stuff, marami na kong issue yun. Lalo na kapag hindi masyadong, alam yun, hindi ganun na research yung some youth na malaman ko ano yung makawalan about having a relationship. So, yung pinaka-goal mo dapat when you're thinking about trying to get into a relationship is that to build a family. So, thinking that way, sabi sa Luke 14:28, diba, it's like, it tells us na kapag ikaw, since the real goal of having a relationship is to have a family for the future, syempre, you would think na dapat get yung higigay. Like, tayo ni parents, right? And we all know na mga tayo ng magulang natin and talagang hindi nila yung para sa atin. Kung tayo mag-start at that, nagsisip lang natin, syempre we're too young, I know we're too young, and I believe we know that too.
Amen.
Kung isipin lang natin yun, syempre gusto mo lahat best. So, I have found a page sa isang dating na isang pastor, every time na tinatanong yung ganun sa kanya, ang unang-unang tinatanong doon is, are you financially stable? Why? Tingin nyo bakit yung talagang unang tinanong ng pastor? Kasi, two things, when you plan to have a family, kasi yung sinasabi, goal sa boyfriend ka, diba? Hindi naman gusto ng boyfriend lang, hindi naman magpapakasawa, diba? Diba, hindi naman natin gusto natin siya na gano'n yun, yung diba? And, so yung sa financial stable na sinabi ko, Do you think may mali ba doon? Do you think, parang, kasi iba, may action ba yan? Parang, sinasasili lang ba? Parang naman, yun na nga. Yun na nga. So, ibig sabihin, you're not serious pa. You're not really trying to, you're not really trying to take that seriously. And I tell you guys, you people, this topic is not a joke. I mean, hindi to yung people na pwede lang gawin. If the non-believer can do that, hindi sabihin nun, bird us out. Hindi, it's cool na boyfriend or girlfriend or wako at yung hindi tayo dapat nakikikalikulat sa ginagawa nila. Kasi, first of all, knowing that ang pinaka-goal ng happy relationship is that dapat malisa yung isipan na hindi ko basta-basta madali, hindi ko basta-basta bagay lang sa kabataan. So, pag-ibig sa yung partner, yun nga, financially stable, gusto mo best lahat. Siyempre, ano yan, pwede makami. Talagang may cost. Talagang money is a factor within the family. And, okay. And, gusto kong i-share lang yung sa site ko kung paano ko, na how I was able to conquer yung mga struggles na alam yun, kasi ako choosing this alam niyo COVID-25 pala. COVID-25, sinulat. Hindi ako pumasok doon. But then, I have, meron akong parang deal papers na parang lang yun na hindi ako boyfriend. Hindi ako mag-ibig pala. Hindi pa ako. Sobrang hindi madali. I tell you, hindi madali. Kasi, sabi nga diba, when you're trying to do something for the Lord, when you're having a goal for the Lord, alam mo, gagawa ang kaaway ng paraan para pigilan ka. Kasi, tinuro niya, lahat ng maging mabuti para sa Lord, talagang may gagawin niyang paraan para hindi mabuti yung patuloy. Para hindi mo lang kasi gagawin talaga yung kaaway. So, I think hindi siya madali. But then, yung mga, susayit ko lang yung mga some points na talagang katulong for me. Una kasi, kapag ka nag-relationship ka agad, let's say, nag-boyfriend, nag-girlfriend, ano yung dahil mag-isip tayo, syempre, kahit hindi kami niya, hindi naman dito, siya yung, or, pwede hindi talaga gusto, okay, kung nakakakulis ko rin pa rin. Pero, kailangan may type ka rin sa family, diba? Mag-ingat ka emotionally, time mo, everything, you will be there. Two things na usually nangyayari. Yung mas importanteng bagay or mga tao na hindi mo na nalagaan, hindi mo na nalagay yung relationship mo, lalo lang sa parents, diba? Parents, family, yun talaga yung pinaka, and most especially because, kasi, it's something na, ano nga magpapagsabi ko, when you're emotionally driven na, marinig ka na kapag yung parents ka, kailangan kayo or what, kayo kapit mo, diba? Maraming Diba? Maraming ano yan, maraming, talagang, alam mo yun, gusto mo siya lang, gano'n. Pero, pero ano, yun nga, hindi sa Spanish,